My channel JK Maths. Today we will be seeing the quadratic equations exercise 4.3, which is last exercise of this chapter. So let's go to the first one of this exercise. So first sum is to find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations if real roots exist and find them. So before going into the question, I just need to explain few conditions for this. So in this question, we need to find the nature of the roots for the following quadratic equations. That is, nature of roots is nothing but the three conditions for the nature of roots. I will say you that. So these are the three conditions here. They are saying, asking us to find whether the nature of the roots is real, distinct or equal. So if the roots are real or distinct or equal, we should find those zeros. If there are no real roots, there is no need to find the roots. So I'll just explain the first condition, real and distinct roots. Then the condition will be discriminant is greater than 0. Real and distinct root means both the zeros are different to each other, like 1 and 2, 2, 3, like that, those roots. So here for this condition, the discriminant is greater than 0. Discriminant, the formula of discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So I will say in the question, you will be understanding well in the while solving questions. So second condition, real and equal roots. Real and equal roots means both the roots are equal in number. Numerically they are equal. That is, 2, both the roots are the same number, like that. For that, the condition will be discriminant is equal to 0. For third condition, no real roots. That is, there is no roots, any roots for this equation. Then the condition of that is discriminant is less than 0. So the formula is d is equal to b square minus 4ac for finding discriminant. So note it in your notebook. It is an important one for this exercise. So let's go to the first subdivision. So in previous exercise, firstly we will find the zeros just by taking product and then sum and then using rhombus formula. But here firstly we should find the discriminant and then we can proceed with the next step for finding zeros. So firstly we should find the discriminant. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. So a is here, b is here and c is here. So b square is minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into 2 a into c, that is 5. So minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So answer will be minus 31. So discriminant is equal to minus 31. So here we said that, so for a condition d is greater than 0 means the discriminant will be in plus sign. D is equal to 0 means it will be in the plus sign only. If d is less than 0 means the answer will be in minus sign. So here the answer is in minus sign. So you just apply the numerical value which you got for discriminant and then see the value. So d is greater than 0 for first condition, that is minus 31 is greater than 0. No, it is wrong. Minus 31 is less than 0. So the first condition is not satisfied. D is equal to 0. Minus 31 is equal to 0. Yes or no? No, it is wrong. Minus 31 cannot be equal to 0. So minus 31 is less than 0. So the third condition is satisfied. So d is less than 0 means no real roots. So there is no roots for this given equation. So there is no need to find the zeros. Let's go to the second one. So the second question is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4. So let's find the discriminant. B square minus 4ac. That will be equal to b square is minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. So minus 4 root 3 the whole square is plus 4 root 3 whole square is 16 into 3 48. So 48 minus 4 3 is 12, 12 into 4 48. So discriminant is equal to 0. So according to our condition, d is greater than 0, d is equal to 0 and d is less than 0. So the second condition is satisfied. So now we should find the zeros. So let's go. So we knew that this question is satisfied to the second condition, that is d is equal to 0. For to find roots we will be using the previous method, but now for this exercise there is a formula for to find the zeros. To find zeros for this to satisfy second condition, we use minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a, which is a simple one without a complex thing for finding the zeros. Okay. So this formula is applicable only when d is equal to 0. So I'll say you, if d is greater than 0, we'll be using this formula minus b plus or minus root d, that is root discriminant by 2a. So this will be your d. If d is greater than 0, we will be using this formula. If d is equal to 0 means we will be using this formula minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. For first condition we have two zeros, so here minus b for first time we will be using minus b plus root d by 2a. For second time we will be using minus b minus root d by 2a. So that's why I wrote here as plus or minus. So since d is equal to 0, we will be using this formula minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. So here minus b is minus 403. So minus of minus 403 by 2a. So 2 into 3, that is a is 3. So 2 3s are 6. Similarly minus of minus 403, because both the zeros will be equal. If d is equal to 0, 6 plus will be cancelled. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 3s are. Okay. So this is our zeros. Now for this we can simplify even more. Like, so we knew that 3 is the 3 will be can be written as root 3 into root 3, yes or no? So root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 can be written like this also. So we will be writing denominator like that. So the root 3 into root 3, comma 2 root 3 into root 3. So we are just cancelling the numerator and denominator. Similarly, so zeros will be 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. So this is our zeros for d is equal to 0 for this question. So let's go with the third one. So now let's do the third one. So the question is 2x square minus 6x plus 3. So firstly we should find the discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square is, that is a is here, b is here and c is here. So b square is minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 3. So 3. So minus 6 the whole square is 36 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So our answer will be d, that is d is equal to 1 12, that is d is equal to 12. So this is our d. So let's do whether the condition satisfies or not. D is greater than 0, d is equal to 0, d is less than 0. These are the three conditions. So let's put the value of d in each case. 12 is greater than 0. Yes, it is satisfied because 12 is always greater than 0. Second condition, first condition is satisfied. So we can directly apply the first condition, or else we can check all the three conditions. D is equal to 0. 11 or 12 is equal to 0. No, 12 cannot be equal to 0. 12 is less than 0. No, 12 is never less than 0. Minus 12 is only less than 0. So our first condition is satisfied. So we will be using the formula. So since d is greater than 0, we will be using this formula. It is minus b plus root d by 2a and minus b minus root d by 2a. You just remember this sign. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, so minus b is nothing but here b is minus 6. So minus of minus b is minus of minus 6 plus root d is, we knew that d is 12. So we found d is 12. We found d as 12. So root d means root 12 by 2a. 2a means 2 into 2, that is a is 2, that is 4, and minus of minus 6 minus root 12 by 4. Okay, so we can simply cancel minus and minus sign. So 6 plus root 12 plus 4 by 6 minus root 12 by 4. We can leave it as it is, or we can simplify further. So we can just simplify further. 6 plus, so 12 can be written as, see, 12 taking prime factorization of 12, 2 6 are 2 3s are, so you can write as 2 root 3, 12 as 2 root 3, that is 2 root 3 by 4, and 6 minus 2 root 3 by 4. So this we got. So now let's further simplify by just taking 2 as common. So in the upper case we can take 2 as common, like 6 plus 2 root 3. If we take 2 as common, we'll be getting 2 into 3 plus root 3 by 4. So if you multiply inside, we'll be getting this one. Okay, we'll be getting this one. So similarly, 2 into 3 minus root 3. Sign is more important. Okay. Okay. Now let's cancel 2 and 4. 2 2s are. Okay. 2 2s are. So 3 plus root 3 by 2, again 3 plus root 3 by 2. So these are all zeros. Okay. So if for the conditions t is greater than 0 means we will be using minus b plus or minus root d by 2a. If d is equal to 0 means minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. If d is less than 0 means there is no real rule, so there is no formula for that. So let's go the second question. So second question, find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. So there's a quadratic equation, we should find the value of k such that each case has the same condition, that is they have two equal roots. So I have said that two equal roots means d is equal to 0, that is, see, I have already said that if d is equal to 0 means two equal roots, equal roots, then the formula to find those roots means we will be using minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. So if we have two equal roots, then the condition is d is equal to 0. So let's go the question. So this is our first question. Okay, 2x square plus kx plus 3. So they are saying that already the question is given as d is equal to 0. So what is the discriminant formula? That is b square minus 4ac. So b is k and a is 2 and c is 3. Here b. Okay. Now let's apply the formula. B square is k square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 3. Sorry, 1 second. So d is equal to 0. So d, we knew that k square minus 4 into 2 into 3, that will be equal to 0. So we are just applying the condition. This is our condition. So I am just applying the formula and equating it to 0. So k square 4 2s are 8, 8 is 24. 24 equal to 0. So if we take 24 to that side, plus 24. So taking square to that side means plus or minus root 24. So whenever we are taking square from LHS to RHS, it changes to root, and again there will be one thing that plus, so we should put plus or minus. When we are taking square from LHS to RHS, it changes to root, and we should add plus or minus. This is important. Okay, so we can simplify root 24 by simply using a prime factorization. 24 2 12s are 3s are 4s are 2 into 2. So we can write 2, okay, 2 root 3 into 2, that is 2 root 6. So the zeros k will be equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. So this is our answer. So let's go with the second subdivision. So second one, the question is kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. So here kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is there, so there is no x square. So to do this, we should just multiply the number outside the bracket and inside the bracket. So just simplify opening the bracket. If you multiply kx into kx minus 2, we will be getting kx square minus 2kx plus 6. So our condition is d is equal to 0 and d is b square minus 4ac. Formula is b is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here a is k is a, b is 2k and c is 6. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So just applying the formula, b is minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into a is k and c is 6 equal to 0. So minus 2k is 4k square. 4k square minus 4 6 are 24. 24k is equal to 0. So this is the one we got. Now let's take the 4k as common. Since 4k is common for both them, so you can just take it easily. So k minus 4 6 are 24. So 6 is equal to 0. So this will be if you simplify the zeros. So if we take 4k to RHS, then k minus 6 is equal to 0. Then k will be equal to 6. Okay, k will be equal to 6. So this is one thing. But if we take k minus 6 to RHS, what will happen? See, 4k, if we take k minus 6 to RHS, it will become 0 by k minus 6, that is 0 only. So k will be, if we take 4 to that side, 0 by 4 is 0, that is k is equal to 0. So there are two values for k, that is first one is 6 and second one is 0. So let's go the third. So third question, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and then area is 800 meters square? Find its length and breadth. So there is a rectangular mangrove grove whose length is twice its breadth. So the area is given as 800 meters square. We should find its length and breadth. Okay, let's to start with it. Okay, so we will be starting with as the assumption method. So let us assume the length and breadth to be, let length be x and breadth be so they said that length is twice its breadth, so we can take only in x terms. So we can assume first length to be y and breadth to be x. Since we need in the terms of x, we need only x. Okay, we will take breadth as x. So see how it changes. So they are saying that length is twice the breadth, that is y is twice the breadth. So y is equal to 2x. This is the first one you got. And they are saying that area is 800 meters square. So we knew that area of a rectangle is length and breadth, that is x into y is equal to 800. So we knew the y value, x into 2x is equal to 800. and so we just multiply 2x square is equal to 800. So 2x square is equal to 800. If we take 2 to that side, we will be getting 800 by 2, that is 400. So x will be equal to square goes to that side, it becomes root 400. And we should not forget to add plus or minus. Okay, plus or minus. Sorry. We should not forget to add plus or minus. Plus or minus root 400. Okay. This is the value of x. And we can further simplify it. X is equal to 20 plus or minus 20. Root of 400 is 20 plus or minus 20. So this is our x value. Okay. So x will be equal to plus 20 and minus 20. So this is our answer. But no length can be taken as negative sign. So you can simply neglect the value of minus 20. So x will be equal to 20 and breadth is that is y is 2x. 2 into 20 is 40. So length is 20 meter and breadth is 40 meter. So we have found that. Let's go to the fourth question. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine the present ages. Sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of the ages is 48. So 4 years ago means we should take minus sign. That is 4 years ago means we should minus 4. Ago means we should minus. Ago means past. From now means we should take plus. Okay. So let the two ages be. So there are two friends. The ages is they are asking whether the situation is possible or not. They are two friends, and the sum of the two friends of the ages is 20. And they are saying that 4 years ago means minus 4. 4 years ago, the product of both the friends ages of both the friends was 48. So let us use by assumption method. So let present age of first friend is bx. Similarly, second friend by. They are saying that sum of the ages is 20 years. That is x plus y equal to 20. And they are saying that 4 years ago, we got the first equation. So we can simply write y is equal to 20 minus x. Since we need in the terms of x, we just taking y is equal to 20 minus x. So this is our required first equation. This is the first one. And they are saying that 4 years ago, that is x minus 4 and y minus 4. The product is 48. 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Ago means we should minus it. Okay. So let's do. So x minus 4 into y minus 4 is 48. So we knew the y value, that is 20 minus x. So simply add it. X minus 4. The value of y is 20 minus x. 20 minus x minus 4 is equal to 48. So x minus 4 into 20, so 20 minus 4 is 16. 16 minus x is 48. Now let's multiply inside the bracket. So x into 60 minus x is 16x minus x square, and minus 4 into 16 minus x is minus 4 6 are 24, 64 minus 64. Yeah. Okay, minus 4 into minus x is plus 4x is equal to 48. So 16x plus 4x is 20x minus x square minus 64, 48 to that side, 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. So if we do this, minus 64 minus 48 means minus 112. So we are taking, since minus x square is in negative sign, we are taking all to RHS. So if we take, we will be changing signs. X square plus 20x changes to minus 20x minus 112 changes to plus 112. So this is our equation. From this we can find the zeros. Let's do. So this is our equation. From this we can find zeros actually. Directly we can find zeros, but we should use the condition whether the discriminant satisfies all the three, any of the three conditions or not. So if there are no roots of the following equation, then that is waste of time for finding zeros. So let's firstly find the discriminant. So they are asking actually the situation is possible or not. That means we should find the discriminant and we should check the conditions. So D is b square minus 4ac. So here A is 1, B is 20 and C is 112. So B is minus 20. We should not forget the sign. B square is minus 20 the whole square minus 4 into A is 1 and C is 112. So minus 20 square is 400 plus 400 minus 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 112 is 448 minus 48. So D is equal to minus 48. So now let's check the condition. D is greater than 0, D is equal to 0, D is less than 0. So minus 48 is greater than 0 or not? No, it is wrong. Plus 48 one is greater than 0. So minus 48 is equal to 0 or not? It is wrong. Minus 48 is not equal to 0. So only third condition will be satisfied. That is minus 48 is less than 0. So third condition is satisfied. Third condition means there are no real roots. That is, there is no roots for the equation. That is quadratic equation. So the following situation is not possible. If there are no roots, the situation is not possible. We can conclude with the statement: the following equation is not possible. That is, situation is not possible. So let's go to the last sum of this exercise. So this is the last sum of the exercise. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find the length and width. So again they are asking whether the situation is possible or not, such that the perimeter of the rectangle is 80 meter and area is 400 meter square. We knew the formula of perimeter as well as area. So let's start by assumption method. Okay. Let length be y. Length be y and breadth be x. So they are saying that perimeter is 80 meter. Perimeter means the formula of perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So perimeter means 2 into L plus B. Area means length into breadth. So let's do the perimeter. So 2 into length is x, that is y plus x is equal to 80. So if you take 2 to that side, it changes to by 20. So here 2 will cancel. So x plus y is 40. So here we need, since we need x terms, we can take y is equal to 40 minus x. So this is the first equation we got. So keep it as it is. So let's do the next one. And they are saying that area is 400 meter square. That is length into breadth. Length into breadth is x into y is 400 meter square. So we knew the value of y, that is 400 minus x. So x into 40 minus x is equal to 400. So let's multiply it. So 40x minus x square is equal to 400. Since x square is in my negative sign, we can take x square to that side as well as 40x to that side, RHS. So if we take RHS, here it will be 0, 400, that is x square minus here plus it changes to minus 40x. So 400 is already it is in RHS, so there is no need to change the sign, plus 400. So this is our equation. So this is the equation we got. So as per our rules, we should find the discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here a is 1, b is minus 40 and c is 400. So b square is 1 square minus 4 into, here b is minus 40. So minus 40 the whole square minus 4 into a is 1, that is a is 1 and c is 400. So minus 40 the whole square is 1600 plus 1600 minus 4 into 1 is 4 and 4 into 4 is 1600. So we got discriminant is equal to 0. So the discriminant satisfies the second condition, that is d is equal to 0. So the given discriminant satisfies the second condition, that is there are two equal roots. So if discriminant is equal to 0, we use a formula to find the roots. So discriminant equal to 0 means there are two equal roots, that is both the roots are have same sign and same value of numeric value as well as same sign. So for finding equal roots, if discriminant is equal to 0, we use this formula, that is minus b by 2a, that is x is equal to minus b by 2a, again minus b by 2a. So x is equal to minus b by 2a is minus is, so our equation is x square minus 40x plus 400. So b is 40, b is minus 40, so minus of minus 40. 2a is, that is 2 into 1, 2, again minus of minus 40 by 2. So cancelling the sign, minus into minus is plus, 2 20s are, again 2 20s are. So the value of x is 20 comma 20. Since both the values are the same, okay, so we got x is equal to 20 and 20. So since both are same, we can take x is equal to one value, that is x is equal to 20. So we got y as y is equal to 40 minus x. Okay, this we got in the previous slide. So y is equal to 40 minus x is, that is x is 20. So 40 minus 20 is y is 20. So both length and breadth are same. So length is equal to 20 meter and breadth is equal to 20 meter. So that's all. We have completed the quadratic equations chapter. Tomorrow we'll be seeing the fifth chapter, that is arithmetic progression. So bye bye, take care.